Good afternoon, guys. So, today we will be having a discussion about what happened today in market and what we are going to expect tomorrow. So, today Nifty was performing slightly better as compared to Bank Nifty here. Bank Nifty was very weak today because of few banks which led to the downfall for like IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank performed very weakly today, so because of that, Bank Nifty was weak. So let's come to Nifty. Let's see how it is standing right now. So Nifty today opened gap down and it broke the bigger resistance in this time frame. This is the resistance which is holding since October, and it broke the resistance once again. Yesterday also it did, but today also it did, and it tried to break this trend line which is forming from yesterday's highs. So it tried to break, it is sustaining. Let's see tomorrow. It is still not sure whether it broke up or it is still not able to break, but I think it will be able to break it because there is support here, this purple rectangle I drew, and there is much bigger support, this support, and we have a trend line which is forming from the base like this. So Nifty basically is expected to move higher, maybe tomorrow, maybe not tomorrow, maybe it will take 2 days or 3 days, but it will go higher, and our first target will be around this area because we have the high here. Then we can make our next target around in this line, this trend line. If we extend it will go up and touch it, so that will be the next resistance, sorry, not support. And then finally we have the final resistance here, which I have labeled as target here because of this huge point, and that's it. That's for Nifty. Let's jump to Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty today it was kind of weaker side. Bank Nifty opened gap down, it was sideways for some time, and then it finally tried to break out. It broke out the minor resistance here. It tried to break out the major resistance which is forming since the all-time high during October, this one, this red line here. So it tried to break that, but it could not. It was a false breakout. So it is again trying to proceed toward that line. Let's see how it goes. Right now it is still a resistance for Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty, considering the other banks which are very performing very bad and they are weak, we cannot expect Bank Nifty to perform good yet. It may take some days, few days, but eventually it will rise because here we have another support, strong support, because first time this market came here and touched this support, it had a huge bounce. Second time also it had a pretty good bounce. Third time it came and supported here. So we don't think market will come below this point. And I have picked two banks which is not in the sense of trading, but it is in the sense of reference to Bank Nifty because it directly implies how Bank Nifty will work. So first one is ICICI Bank. In this we see that there is this area of gap which was formed during this time period around October. Market opened gap up and then it went very up, high up, and then it came down till here, but still this gap is not filled. So, and generally a gap never exists in market, it is always filled. So we can expect that market will come down and fill up this gap, and then it may proceed high up. So ICICI Bank is telling us that it might come down, which might bring Bank Nifty a little bit down, maybe to this yellow resist support which I drew. Let me put it in 15 minutes. Yeah, so in 15 minutes time frame we can see this huge support running from past few months, which is a very good support, and it might come and touch here before it bounces back. And next we come to, so that's it for ICICI Bank. Next we come to HDFC Bank. In HDFC Bank we have a good support here around 15,030. Then market went up, again coming down, again it might come till this support before it goes up. And let me put in 1 hour time frame, and if we check from this low till this high, we can see that 0.6, this Fibonacci level is totally coinciding with this trend line, this support. So it is a very good support for HDFC Bank, and by the time HDFC Bank comes here, ICICI Bank will also be able to gap fill this area, and Bank Nifty will also come down, or maybe with some time here only, but it will take some time for three of them to gain momentum again and go up. So that's it. Thank you so much.